All right, that's the update coming in from the pharma space. Let's talk about commodities now, as promised. Manisha Gupta is joining us with all that update. Hey, Manisha, good morning.
Morning, Sonal. Thank you for that. I'll start with the crude oil prices, where we have seen some more decline for a second straight day coming in. And this is after, even as China is reopening the market, but the rising cases in China are triggering restrictions, not in China, but the other parts of the world. So the U.S. now says that the passengers from China will have to show a negative virus test to come in. Italy also has started testing arrivals from China, and nearly half of 2 flights were seen as positive for COVID from passengers coming in from China. So that really is now creating concerns world over. Apart from that, the markets will continue to watch out on what Russia does and say. As of now, we do understand that it is curbing exports to countries, imposing price caps from 1st of Feb, and that is what is basically keeping some support for the prices right now. But good gains is what has continued for the metals as a sector, especially iron ore prices, which are trading at a 5-month highs right now. Prices still below 30% from 2022 highs, but the expectation that the Chinese demand recovery is now coming in, and China going forward will enforce proactive fiscal policy and prudent monetary policy in 2023 are some of the supportive factors.
Okay, so a lot depends on what happens in China as well. Manisha, thank you so much for joining us with all those updates. A quick look at what the Asian markets are doing. Still lower, a mild recovery is what we are seeing in the Taiwanese index. So it's down 1% right now. The Hang Seng continues to tread lower. That one down around 250 points. We have Nikkei, which continues its fall as well. And of course, what has happened in US overnight is something which is impacting the Asian markets as well. And the important cue for our own markets, of course, is the monthly options expiry. So that is something that will keep the markets very volatile today as well. SGX Nifty 2 has recovered just 10 points, but we'll have to see whether that happens with our own trading day today or not. Well, with that, we'll take your leave on this edition of Power Breakfast. Stay tuned. All the morning action on Bazaar Morning Call that comes up next.